Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first English voice episode about printers. So any mistakes in my English, excuse me. I'm just trying to help. Today we will talk about a broken piece in the output bin tray. The customer removed a jammed paper too much strong that broke the plastic piece that tells the machine that there is no papers at the output bin. So let's see how to remove it and replace the old piece with a new one. First of all, we remove the tray 2 from the device. Next step, the rack cover from the back. We will use any tool to remove it gently, step by step. Then the left cover from the front of the machine. We hold it strongly after opening the toner door. Then we remove it outside the machine. And now we go to the back. We will remove all screws we see at the back of the machine and make sure that the duplex tray is disengagement with the machine. Now let's remove the upper cover screws to go to the place where we have the problem. Now let's remove the old bar to replace it with a new one or an old one we have. A little note before I forget: if we removed all this piece from the machine, and the printer will work normally back to its place. But to try that, after we print about 250 paper, the machine will not know that it did all this count and will still print, and the paper will fall at the floor. So if we print about 50, 20, 60 paper, it will not matter if we remove all this piece.